Okay, boys and girls, get out your math book. We are comparing customary lengths. You should be on page 665, I think. And I have chosen two things, and this is going to be a fun lesson for you. I'm going to give you most of the measurements here. So I've chosen two things. I've chosen this air pump, and I've chosen this hole punch. It says to draw, but y'all know about my drawing. So I'm going to write air pump. I'm going to write hole punch. I'm going to measure the air pump, and I pulled the little handle out so that it would be its longest length. So I'm putting one end on 0. So my air pump is exactly 10 inches. My air pump is 10 inches. And my hole punch is 5 inches. And my hole punch is 5 inches. So what we're doing in this lesson is we're comparing the length. So I would say the air pump is blank inches longer than the hole punch. How many inches longer is the air pump than the hole punch? Well, you know, you're going to say 10 minus 5 is 5. So the answer is the air pump is 5 inches longer. When you're comparing two things, boys and girls, you use ER, longer. When you're comparing more than two things, you use EST as your suffix. Remember that? So we're comparing two things here, so we're going to be saying longer or shorter, okay? If you compare more than two things, if I said there are 3 children standing and Havens is the tallest, EST, okay, because we compared more than 2. So this is what we are going to be doing here, and I need you to follow along. I'm going to give you the numbers to put in the blank. So go to the next page. Go to the next page here. And listen carefully, okay? Listen carefully. So the baseball bat is 33 inches long. The golf club is 31 inches long. The golf club is how many inches shorter? This time it wants to know shorter is how many inches shorter than the bat. So if you do 33 minus 31, the golf club is 2 inches shorter. So we're comparing two lengths and finding which one is shorter or which one is longer. Be sure to pay attention to what it is asking you for, okay? So right here, I want you to put that the crayon is 4 inches, and I want you to put that the pencil is 8 inches. The pencil is blank inches blank. So the pencil is 8, the crayon is 4, the pencil is 4 inches longer, L-O-N-G-E-R. The pencil is 4 inches longer. Do you see how I did that? All right, right here, I want you to put the chalkboard is 2 feet high. The desk here is 3 feet high. So the desk is blank feet blank, okay? The desk, look at your comparison, the desk is 1, and we're going to say foot, is 1 foot higher, right? Is 1 foot higher. Do you see how I'm doing that? Do you understand that? The desk is 1 foot higher than the board. Okay? Let's move. I'm going to give you some more measurements here. All right, here I want you to say the paper clip is 1 inch. So scratch out the inches. The paper clip is 1 inch. And the highlighter is 5 inches. So do this one for me. The paper clip is blank inches blank. Think about it. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the paper clip is 4 inches. Is the paper clip 4 inches longer or 4 inches shorter? Shorter. The paper clip is 4 inches shorter. All right, let's think about number 4. I'm going to give you the measurements here. The car is 5 feet high. The toy box is 3 feet high. So what are we going to say? 5 minus 3, when we subtract, we always take our biggest number. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we're going to say the car is 2 feet higher or 2 feet shorter? The car is 2 feet higher. All right, let's look at the shoe. I'm saying the shoe is 11 inches. And we're going to say that this notebook is 8 inches. All right? So if I do 11 minus 8, 11 minus 8 is what? 3. So I'm going to say the shoe is 3 inches what? Longer. Okay? Here I have the door is 2 yards high. And then right here the lockers are 5 yards long, okay? So the door, so 5 minus 2 is going to give me 3. The door is 3 yards what? 3 yards shorter. The door is 3 yards shorter than the lockers. Are y'all getting this? You understanding this? Okay, let's go to the next page. All right, I want you to do these word problems. Think about it's just what we just did. You're going to take your bigger number, subtract your smaller number, and get the difference. Remember, the difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. And you're going to work these. I would like to go ahead and give you the numbers to put in your homework page. So go to your homework page. Let's see. We're going to say the stapler is 8 inches. The crayon is 4 inches. Right here, we're going to say the television set is 2 feet high, and we're going to say the rug is 4 feet high or long. Okay? We're going to go to the next page, and y'all have to do the work there, just like we did the classwork. Right here, we're going to say the notebook is 5 inches wide, and we're going to say that this pencil is 8 inches long. Here we're saying that the window is 2 feet wide, and we're saying that this lamp is 6 feet high. Okay? So now that I've given you those numbers, I want you to think about what we did in class and complete this.